Could brainstorm at 3 a.m., never complained, and wrote reports faster than you could say, deadline. That's not a dream. That's AI plus human collaboration in action. What is human AI collaboration? This isn't about replacing jobs. It's about augmenting us, giving us AI tools that think, summarize, predict, and advise. From marketing to legal, sales to design, AI agents can draft proposals, recommend strategy, analyze data, even schedule your team meeting. Real use cases in tech. GitHub Copilot writes 40% of developer code in finance. AI assists in forecasting, compliance and investment modeling in customer service. AI agents handle L1 queries while humans handle empathy in leadership. Agentic dashboards summarize projects and recommend actions. It's no longer about man vs machine. It's man plus machine equals magic. Challenges and trust. But collaboration isn't always easy. Trust, explainability, data privacy, these are key. We'll show how top companies are designing workflows where AI is transparent, humans are always in control, and results are faster, fairer, and smarter. Ready to become an AI-powered professional? Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Because in the next episode, we explore AI for creativity, how agents are painting, composing, designing, and coding the future.